Hello guys, like I promised in the comments before, I'm showing you the bills since I started having my air conditioner. And the first bill was on from January 11 to February 11, where I used 72 kilowatts. And the cost I incurred was 832.72 pesos. For the second bill was from February 11 to March 11, and I used 115 kilowatts. And the bill I paid was 1340.01. And now for March, from March 11 to April 10, it was 161. That was because it's already summer, so I used the aircon occasionally. And I paid 1927.58 pesos. Okay guys, since a lot of you have been very concerned about your electric bills, I'll be putting on some data for you. Okay, for the first column, let's use the month. Then for the second, we take the kilowatts, or I mean the rate per kilowatt. Then we take the kilowatts used. And for the last will be the amount due. In the amount due, I'm not including the other miscellaneous fees here. I started using my air conditioning since February. So let's start with February until April. For February, the current rate was, let's see, 5.385738, and for March it was 5.323794, and for April it was 5.654708. The kilowatts used for February was only 72, and that was because it was a cold weather. For March it was 115 kilowatts, and for April it was 161. That was a hot summer. Now for the amount due, on February I got 833.72 in bill. For March it was 1340.01, and for April I got 1927.50. So these are the data that I have. As you can see, the kilowatts I've been using has been raising. That is because of the weather. The weather on February was cold, and it was getting warmer as the summer comes in. So let's put a chart to better understand the data. Let's insert a pivot table so we can see the data, so that we can create a chart from it. Now let's use month and rate. Then we also create another pivot table, insert it. Same, we use the same range, and use month and kilowatts used. And lastly, we create another for the month and amount due. Now since we have this date, these pivot tables now, we create a pivot chart for each of these so we can see the difference visually. So let's insert a column chart for this first pivot table. And here's the first chart. Let's name it to rate per kilowatts used. Let's insert another, and this will be for the kilowatts used. And one more, which will be for the amount due. Okay, we got the three charts. I hope you see this and understand the data that we have. I wish I can give you more data, but all I got is 3 months. And I hope this clarifies your questions in the comments. So if you have any other questions, please ask them in the comments below, and please subscribe. Thank you.